Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Apple Calendar to Dola AI in 2026. First, open Dola AI and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go to the Calendar or Integrations section and look for the available calendar connection options. If Apple Calendar is supported in your current Dola setup, select the Apple Calendar option and follow the instructions provided on the screen. Depending on your device and account configuration, Dola may ask you to authorize access to your calendar. Make sure you're using the correct Apple account and carefully review the permissions before allowing access. Calendar permissions are important because they determine what Dola can access and manage. After completing the authorization process, return to Dola and check whether your Apple Calendar is successfully connected. If it shows as connected, you can begin using Dola to manage your calendar. For example, you can send a natural language request such as, create a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. for 1 hour. Dola can then use the connected calendar to help create the event, depending on the features available in your account. You can also use conversational commands to organize appointments, meetings, reminders, and other calendar activities. After creating an event, it's a good idea to open Apple Calendar and confirm that the event appears correctly. If the connection doesn't work, first check that you're signed into the correct Apple account and that the required permissions have been granted. You can also check your device's calendar and account settings to make sure calendar access is enabled.